Namaste. I'm Rajan Narayanan, a researcher in spirituality, yoga, and therapy. At Life in Yoga Institute, we have developed measured yoga therapy, also called MYT, that is scientific and personalized and increases the effectiveness of yoga therapy. Yoga therapy is rooted in Ayurvedic principles where suitable practices for specific individuals would move the Vikriti, which is the deviation from true nature, towards Prakriti to balance the system and eventually overcome disorders. While this can be measured with the Ayurvedic three-finger pulse reading, Nadi Pariksha, done before and after specific practices, the same can be done with modern scientific instruments that measure the change, that is, effectiveness of moving Vikriti towards Prakriti. With such instruments, subjective assessment is translated into objective scientific measurements. Modern-day research in yoga practices have correlated different practice for different ailments. For example, Ujjayi pranayama and certain other practices are often suggested for sleep apnea. But its effectiveness varies for different individuals. By our measurement, we can tell who will be benefited. This MYT approach helps us determine which yoga practices will work best for each person. Our unique element about our approach is the use of mantras, sound vibrations, in addition to asanas and pranayama. We use the bio-well device developed by Russian researchers. This device utilizes electrophotonic imaging to measure bio-meridian energy flow, which corresponds with Nadi Pariksha of Ayurveda. By replacing each finger into the device, we capture aura-like images passed into segments representing various organ systems. This method provides insights into the body's energetic state of about 40 organ systems and helps us identify potential imbalances. The MYT approach is systematic and personalized. First, we take a detailed health and lifestyle history. Then we conduct bio-meridian readings using the bio-well device to assess the energy state of body's organs. An essential part of the initial consulting is to correlate the diagnosed disorder that is observed in the reading. Bio-well readings are sensitive to food, medicine, thoughts, etc. at the time of reading, and therefore proper correlation is needed to validate accuracy of readings. After the baseline reading, we test various practices measuring their immediate impact on bio-well readings to identify the most effective practices for the individual's condition. Based on the assessments, we recommend specific yoga practices that have shown significant positive changes in bio-well readings, indicating a high probability of therapeutic success. By tailoring yoga practices to individual bioenergy readings, MYT increases the probability of therapeutic success. This is personalized therapy with measured outcome, a step beyond generalized recommendations. The method of MYT is published and available at the National Library of Medicine, titled Bioenergy and its Implication for Yoga Therapy. We have worked with over 1,000 cases with MYT. Some testimonials are available at lifeinyoga/testimonials.html. Measured yoga therapy represents the future of personalized yoga therapy. By merging modern technology with ancient wisdom, we now have a way to objectively measure and enhance the benefits of yoga. MYT is trained sequentially in 5 steps. First, with Patanjali's philosophy. Second, understanding the pranic system. Third, integrative understanding of yoga, Ayurveda, and allopathy. Fourth, energy measurement systems. And lastly, case studies and hands-on applications. For those interested in all or parts of MYT, a structured series of courses is available. For details, go to lifeinyoga.org and click on Measured Yoga Therapy. An exposure to spiritual integration of how we approach yoga can be found in the Panchaprana course and our introductory course that takes yoga beyond asanas and pranayama. Any questions, send me an email at narayanan@lifeinyoga.org and put a subject line MYT. Depending on your location, you can also contact the person below. If you have any difficulty, go to the contact page at lifeinyoga.org or CYAI.org. We look forward to connecting with you. Namaste.